Now, baby, everybody got a testimony, but this one right here smell like Birmingham, taste like grandma's cooking, sound like church bells and front porch laughter. Band, walk with me. We're going back home. Hey, hey. Hey, yeah. Raised where the steel mills painted the sky. Mama said, hold your head up high. Front porch stories till the daylight fades. Neighbors knew everybody by name. Grandma humming while she stirred that pot. Little bit of love and everything she got. Working hands and praying knees. Lord, keep watching over me. Every block got a memory. Every scar got a song. Every prayer made me stronger. That's why I'm still holding on. They gon' know my sound. Straight from my hometown, street testimony. Joy all around, working hard, trusting God, walking by faith. No matter how hard, they gon' know. They gon' know. They gon' know. They gon' know. They gon' know my sound. Saturday mornings, cutting that grass. Sunday clothes, iron nice and fast. Mama calling everybody inside. Before that street light changed the night. Didn't have much, but we had enough. Family hugs and a whole lot of love. Hard times never stopped our praise. God kept making better days. Can I talk to Birmingham? Can I talk to Alabama? Can I talk to everybody trying to make an honest living? Keep your head up. God ain't forgot about you. Your testimony is still being written. Whoa! Clocking early, clock out late. Still thanking God for every plate. Bills come due, we keep pressing through. One more prayer, He'll make a way for you. Children laughing in the yard, music playing after dark. These little moments money can't buy. That's the reason I still testify. Bass, take a walk, drums, talk your talk, choir, lift it higher. Can I hear ya? They gon' know my sound, not because I'm loud. They gon' know my sound because I stand proud. Every lesson, every mile, every tear, every smile. Street testimony, grace all around. That's why they gon' know my sound. From the front porch to the church house, from Birmingham to wherever this music goes. If God gave you a story, don't hide it. Sing it, live it, share it. Because somebody needs your testimony. And baby, they gon' know